I'm not gonna lie, whoever made Jet Engine's moveset or the first move, bro, I'm gonna need you to hop off, gang. I'm gonna need you to hop off because I don't know how you make one move so OP.
I beg your pardon?
It don't make no sense, but we here. So yeah, Reciprocal Assault is like hella broken because it can hit damn near everything. Up air, down air, left air, and chases, you know what I mean? But hey, we're here to use it because he is the new character. But make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you feel me? Oh, also, y'all need to make a new like Tenya like helmet, bro. Like, I'm being honest. Whoever made the stain stuff. Boring. Anyways, let's get into it. Come on. Nope. What? All right, dude. 1, 2, 3, up air. Yep. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Yep. Yep. I pressed the Okay. Ow. This is gonna send me flying, but it won't. Oh my goodness. Bro got. Yep. Let's go. No! I'm out of that. Bro. Come on. I'm not losing to your bum butt. I'm not losing to your bum butt. Dash on me. What is that? What the hell was that? Let's go. Let's go. Yep. Yeah. Hold on, I'm not done with you yet. Go to sleep. One move. Thank goodness we found someone who's willing to fight. Nope. Okay. One, two, three, up air. I missed it. Of course. I meant to charge it. 2, 3, 4. Did you just give up or something? There's no way you just gave up. Oh yeah, you gave up, bro. Okay. He hit me with that. 1, 2, 3, up air. Come on. That's it. That's it. Yep. Oh my God, that lock. I mean, you can see it coming from a mile away. Let's see. What the hell? What the hell? 1, 2, 3, up air. Do not try to attack me again, Doolin. 1, 2, 3, up air. I was trying to hit you with the down. Oh, you swapped over. Oh, you swapped over. 1, 2, 3, up air. I'll try to hit him with the same like down air tip. Bro, if you're gonna attack me, attack me. No. Yeah, he's not about nothing. He's not about nothing. He's not about nothing. Come on, Doolin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, up air. You're not gonna dash up off that? 1, 2, 3, up air. Let's go. Make sure we get that. Stay around here. Yup. Ooh. Cheese it a little bit. Cheese it a little bit. He doesn't like that. They're never gonna like that. Let's go. That's not gonna kill though. Block. Oh. Okay, my fault. My fault. My fault. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's try it again. There we go. Scared him to death. Bro, if you want to hit me, just say that. 1, 2, 3, up air. Come on, let's go. There we go. Bro took the number 2 guy and is able to hit him. What? 1, 2, 3, down there. That should have hit. That should have hit. Almost should have hit. 1, 2, 3. He's giving up. He's giving up. 1, 2, 3, up air. Just gotta leave, you know, you just gotta get out of the range a little bit, you know. Come on. You should have started attacking me. Reaction time is slow a little bit. It's okay though. Oh my goodness. Yep. My fault. 1, 2, 3, up air. Ooh, back off. 1, 2, 3, up air. What's going on here? Oh, back off that. Back off that. 1. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is going on here? 1, 2, 3, up air. I was trying to hold it down. Why are you selling me, game? He's not doing it. Oh my goodness. Doesn't even hit. Back up off that. Oh my god, my def. My def. Can you stop that? Dash on me. 1, 2, 3, up air. Let's go. I needed this move to be hit already. He's not gonna dash on me? Of course he is, but it's not gonna be as close. What's he doing? Oh, back off that. Come on. 1, 2, 3, up air. Oh my god. Can he not? Back up off that. Oh my god, why is this guy on me? Bro, I just lost my kill because of this little idiot. No, where do you think you're going? Yeah, I'm Jet Engine, the hero, the breakdancer. That blocked that. 1, 2, 3, up air. Come on. Oh, back up off that. Back up off that. Make sure he doesn't like hit it. He doesn't even realize about it. Block those. He doesn't know. He doesn't fully know stain. Dash off. Get off me, dude. I don't know why you're still trying to attack me. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, up air. Block those. Nope. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. Finish him off. Finish him off. 1, 2, 3, up air. Let's go. We're gonna start off the move. We're gonna start it off good. We're gonna start this off good. Non-stop rounds of fighting. Non-stop rounds of fighting. Do not. I love how you try to make me like, no, don't attack me, don't attack me, because you don't have your second guy here. It's cool. Block that. Come on. He's not gonna attack. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, no. Oh my goodness. Get him off. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Let's go. I'm straight fighting. These guys keep hurting themselves bit after bit. Block that. Come on. Come on. 1. Come on. Why are both trying to attack me at the same time? Come on. 1, 2, 3, up air. Let's go. Yeah. It doesn't even matter. Come on. Ow. Ow. No, I'm still locked in here. He's about to save me. They're about to save me for real, though. Let me back up off that. Well, after taking on a team of teamers, you know, combat gods will never cease to amaze me. They really won't. But Jet Engine, probably going to be better than Shigaraki, no cap, because of how he already plays. And the ultimate, probably is going to be OP. But hey, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace easy.